Hello guys, welcome back to another exciting video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can use music without having any copyright issues with Facebook. Free music, guys. Music that you can put in any of your videos, whether a 3 minutes video, 5 minutes video, you can put in your Facebook content and you're not going to get any copyright issues from Facebook. So if that sounds like what you want to learn, please do well to watch this video to the very end. Alright guys, so of recent I've been posting a lot of Facebook tips on how to go about content creating on Facebook, and I've been getting a lot of reviews and issues people have, which is always based on the restrictions they have on their pages. So for example, you're trying to monetize your Facebook page in Nigeria, profile or page. A lot of times I've explained the difference between a profile and a page. So if you're watching my video for the first time, let me still explain that to you. So for a profile, that's the normal 5,000 friends page account you used to have, that you switched on your professional mode, and the page became the profile became follow up. Then for your page is what you create from your profile. So for that, you can have as many admin as you want to have, but on a profile you can only be the one to manage that page at a time. In Nigeria, we are having a situation whereby people are trying to monetize. Facebook said they are going to monetize Nigeria in June, and I am lucky enough to be amongst the persons who have been able to monetize my Facebook profile. Now if you want to know how I went about that, you can actually watch my previous video where I talked extensively and I gave you how to set up your in-stream ads. So currently I'm monetized on my stars, on my subscription, and my in-stream ads. For reels and bonuses, Facebook will invite me themselves. Now in teaching a lot of Facebook tips, I realized that where people have issues the most is the music they use or posting unoriginal content. Posting unoriginal content means you went to just copy somebody's content and you posted it on your page without adding anything. You didn't put any effect, you didn't add any value to that video. That way Facebook is going to flag it for copyright, so they either delete the video or they will tell you to delete the video. So once you have an issue like that, your page or your profile is going to be under restricted monetization. So what you need to do is delete. If you currently have any content on your profile, on your page right now, that you didn't add any value to, and Facebook has flagged it and told you this is an unoriginal content, please do well to delete that video. Now some people come back to meet me that I've deleted the video, why is it that I still have restricted monetization on my profile or page? That is because this is a punishment. Like, you did something wrong, Facebook has guidelines to which they erase some of these things. Some can take 24 hours, some can take days, some can take months. Depending on the gravity of the offense you committed, it's going to determine when they're going to erase that from your handle. All I can advise you is to continue posting. After a while, Facebook will remove it. And of course, there are different, once your account or your page is on green, that means your profile is recommendable. You do not have any issues with Facebook. If your account is yellow, it can be resolved, but sometimes it can take days, it can take weeks, it can take months. But once your account is on red, Facebook is telling you that this your page or your account, it has risk of deletion. Please, that account is going to take you a whole year for Facebook to remove that restriction on it. So I would advise you to just go and create another account or go and create another page and start creating content all over again. It's as simple as that. Now that is talking about different content, making mistakes. Some people just post, they were not careful with child privacy and all of it. Recently somebody sent me a video, the restriction he had, and they pointed him to something around minor, and I told him, please don't create content around anything that has to children anymore. Now coming to music, this is another place that people make a lot of mistakes on Facebook. For your reels, 1 minute 30 seconds videos, you can put in music from artists or secular music. You can put them in your reels, but the challenge with that is that you're not going to be making so much money from reels. Yes, you're not going to make serious money from your reels, but you can also post reels and use music from Facebook which is what I'm going to be showing you very, very soon. So if you want to do content, 3 minutes content, 5 minutes content, or even reels on Facebook, you can actually use free music, like free, just like you have it on YouTube. Facebook also has theirs where you can use music without having any copyright issues. So let's get into the practical. I'm going to be showing you right now. So on your Facebook page, you're going to click on your search button. So on your search button, you enter Creator Studio. You can see my own is already on the screen, so I just click on it. So once I click on my Creator Studio, you pick the very first one, because this is where everything you do on Facebook is right now. Creator Studio used to be an app, but currently that is where Facebook placed it. So it's going to show you your Meta Business Suite. So on your Meta Business Suite, you click on all tools. So every of the tools you're going to be using for your Facebook, activities is all here. So you can see where you have your audience. Under your audience, you click on sound collections. So under sound collections, you click on I agree. You're going to agree with everything, and you click the I agree. Once you do that, you're going to see different kinds of sound and even sound effect, music, everything you can use for your Facebook work. You can use this for Facebook, you can use it for Instagram and any other, Meta company. That is what you can use. Even for your reels, anything concerning your music, this is where you should get them from. So guys, you can see how easy that was. So this is where you can this is the sound selection where you can get all kinds of music for whatever thing you want to do on Facebook. Remember, you can only use this for Facebook, Instagram, and any other Meta related platforms. Outside that, you can't use something on Facebook and bring it to YouTube. YouTube might flag it for copyright. If you want to do anything on YouTube, I've done a video on how to upload videos on YouTube. You can do well to watch that video. I explained everything about your YouTube studio, so do not mix the two together. So doing this, you're not going to have any issues with Facebook. So like I said, if you're still having any restriction issues on your page, you can actually drop comments below explaining what the issue is, and I might be able to put you through them, or better still, I'll do a video explaining everything to you. But for example, you're trying to monetize in Nigeria and your own is still showing you do not reside in an eligible country. That one, there's really nothing you can do about it. But what I'm talking about is if you're having Facebook policy, issues, it's always either you posted an unoriginal content or music. So I've explained to you how to go about both. If you have an unoriginal content on your profile or page, please do well to delete it, because except you edited it in such a way that yes, Facebook did not give you, but if they flagged that video, please delete that video. If they flagged any music you used, please delete the music and go to the sound collection and library on Facebook to get music. This way you are not going to get any restrictions. All right, thank you so much everyone for watching. If you've gotten value, please do well to like, drop your comment, and even share this video. Don't also forget to turn on your post notifications so that anytime I post more videos, you'll be amongst the first to see it. All right, bye.